Hey, healthy humans! Welcome back to Healthy Human Fitness, and this is one of your series of the 12 days of Christmas. As we know, the new Star Wars is coming out any day now, so we have Kylo Ren here. He's my buddy, and he is going to demonstrate this workout. It is super sweet, super awesome, really quick. And why is it so awesome? Because it's only 2 exercise moves. 2, that is all. You go through 2 exercises. The first one is a burpee, and Kylo here in his Daft Punk shirt, because he's such a fan of Daft Punk, by the way, one thing you need to know about him, is going to demonstrate a burpee. So he jumps up, comes down and does his push-up. Now Kylo, could you give us a modified burpee now? If you started getting tired, what would be a modification for our fitsters? So he jumps, a little hop, and then he just places his chest and stomach down, raises his hands up off the ground. What he's not gonna do is just flop to the ground. He'll carefully go down and then raise his hands up. So you can see, just skip the push-up part. You can do tricep or a bicep push-up, your kind. Also, you can go down to your knees, but not on your kneecaps, guys. Be really careful with your knees. It's right above your knees on that muscle padding. You can do a push-up that way. You can do the slight hop. Or Kylo, could you show us the knee-high jump when you come up from the push-up burpee part? Yeah, nice. And then he's gonna come down. Woo, he's giving it his best shot. He's showing us the whole thing. Awesome. And then show us the butt kicks. That's right. Okay, so he does 10 of those, and then he comes down and he does 10 jackknives. Show us a jackknife.
Oh, sorry.
Go ahead, Kylo, show us your jackknife.
Yeah, show it.
So there's one of his jackknives. Now show us a modification that someone could do if they get tired. Because we don't want it going into your back, you guys. You want it in the abs only. If you're feeling it in your back or hip flexors, you can modify like this. Good. And then show us the one where your hands are placed down at your hips and you have support from your hands and you just knee tuck in. Good. So if you start feeling your hip flexors, your lower back, or your neck, just modify into one of these. And show us a really, really solid jackknife. One more time. We're really putting him to work. Nice. Good, good. And if you guys can, you can even keep your legs straight. Awesome. So he's going to do that. You guys are going to follow along with him. It's 10 times of a burpee. 10 times you do a jackknife, and then you drop down. So then it'll be 9 burpees, 9 jackknives. And you continue. 8 burpees, 8 jackknives, 7 burpees, 7 jackknives, like so. And we continue until we go down to 1. Now, you guys can follow along with Kylo. That would be sweet. If you get tired, whatever you do, don't stop. Just modify, slow down, try to stay focused. It's a short workout. You will feel it. You will burn fat. You will gain muscle. It's cardio conditioning, heart conditioning. It's awesome. Stay with it. Get your water afterwards. Check your phone afterwards. Let us know how you did. And ask us in the comments anything you need to know about Kylo. You already know, one of his favorite bands. And I think that's it. Anything else? No. All right. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Bam.
Work it, make it, do it, make sense. Harder, better, faster, stronger. More than power, never. ever after work is over. Work is making, doing, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work is harder, making better, doing faster, makes us stronger. around the world, 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 around Around the world, 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 around around the